Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I already sent you the first video of the process and the method, and I'm done. And finally I do my garnishing. This is just onions that I sliced in rings, and then I sauteed them in a little bit of oil, olive oil, just a little bit, and then I make sure I brown it just a little. You see, browning, and then I toss that on my spaghetti. See that? I want that brown, burnt onion flavor and still crispy, not mushy. So that's it, all done. You can try it at home. You can add anything you want, sausages if you like, chicken gizzards, beef, whatever, fish. God bless you all. Bye bye.